Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by committing to one small, repeatable action. Open to the first page and set a running header with date and focus. Use a grid that matches your handwriting. Once chosen, it keeps columns aligned and makes spacing predictable. Number the rows or mark hours if tracking time. Next, create 3 columns: quick log, highlights, and next action. This structure converts vague intentions into a repeatable habit that scales from notes to projects. Now you populate entries with purpose. Write a short, time-stamped line in the log column, then capture the single most important outcome in highlights. Use the grid to draw quick progress bars or micro timelines that visually show momentum. Each box equals 10 minutes or 10%. Once done, translate the highlight into a precise next action that fits one session. Make sure to update your symbol key so you can scan pages fast, and keep spacing consistent across days. Finish the process by reviewing every evening. Tick off completed items, migrate unfinished tasks, and mark priorities for the next day. Once a week, flip through and transfer recurring notes into a project index to avoid duplication. If your grid journal feels messy, reduce density, use wider margins, fewer items per page, and rebuild a clear index. If problems persist, pause for one session to reformat the template. That single reset usually restores.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.